Ever wondered how to effortlessly transform a space to make it uniquely yours?
We're here today to show you how fluted accent walls can modernize any home. It's versatile, elegant, and perfect for giving a fresh look.
As an expert in remodeling with Maciza, I've seen firsthand how fluted wall panels combine functionality with style. Welcome to our new transformed spaces. Maciza's fluted wall panels effortlessly combine style and functionality, creating appealing and sophisticated areas in no time.
It was incredibly easy to install, and the results speak for themselves. This is exactly what our clients were trying to accomplish.
I'm absolutely loving how cozy and elegant this home feels now. Maciza's fluted accent walls were the ideal solution.
With Maciza, you get design that truly transforms any space into something special.
Thank you, Ignacio, for guiding us through this process. Your expertise made everything smooth and enjoyable.
Remember, Maciza's fluted wall panels are designed to meet your vision with ease and quality.
I feel totally inspired to tackle more projects like this one.
Definitely recommending Maciza to everyone looking to upgrade their home.
Enjoy your newly transformed spaces and count on Maciza for your next project.